Adventures of Australia, discover this extraordinary continent's vibrant landscapes, rich culture, and unique wildlife. Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander cultures and traditions have been deeply woven into Australia's fabric for over 60,000 years. The European settlement in the late 18th century shaped modern Australia. The sixth largest country in the world covers 7.6 million square kilometres. Its diverse landscapes are awe-inspiring. From the arid outback to the lush rainforests, the outback, a vast, remote, arid region, shapes Australia's identity. Uluru and the Ulgus are natural monuments to Australia's geology and culture.
There's as much diversity in Australian cuisine as there is in the landscape. It's a rich tapestry of influences from all over the world.
It's no secret that Australia's coastlines are beautiful. Known as the world's most extensive coral reef system, the Great Barrier Reef is a kaleidoscope of marine life. There's a mix of historical architecture and modern design in Australia's cities. The Opera House in Sydney, the Harbour Bridge in Melbourne, the riverfront in Brisbane, and the sunsets in Perth are just a few highlights. Indigenous Australians have a deep connection to the land and sea. One of the oldest continuous cultures on Earth can be seen in their art, storytelling, and spiritual practices. There's a lot of wildlife in Australia. Kangaroos, koalas, and platypus are just a few species you can't find anywhere else. It's crucial to protect these irreplaceable treasures.
With everything from traditional bush tucker to modern fusion restaurants, there's something for everyone. Sport is big in Australia. It's not just pastimes, but part of the national identity. The art scene in Australia is vibrant and dynamic. The country offers a rich tapestry of artistic expressions, from the Sydney Theatre Company to Melbourne Comedy Festival. Australia has many environmental challenges, like climate change, water scarcity, and biodiversity loss. There are initiatives to solve these problems and preserve Australia's natural beauty. The Australian economy is booming, driven by mining, agriculture, and technology. Scientists and innovators from the country make significant contributions around the world. Australia has a world-class education system, with a lot of top-rated universities. Students from all over the world come here for quality education. It's a melting pot of cultures, each contributing to the country's rich culture. Festivals, foods, and traditions worldwide coexist harmoniously, making Australia genuinely multicultural. Australia offers a journey of discovery from its ancient roots to its modern vibrancy. It's a land of contrasts and surprises. We'll continue our journey down under next time. I'm glad you joined us on Discovering Australia, a journey down under. Stay tuned for more adventures.